Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Copper Jacket TV. So I think most people out there understand how difficult it is to get a win at the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in a Second Amendment case. It's a lot like winning the lottery. Yeah, somebody's going to win, but it's usually not us. But we did get a win out of the Ninth Circuit. As a matter of fact, we got a huge win back in August. But I think the Ninth Circuit might not have known about the unintentional consequences that ruling had coming up, because we have a new law that's supposed to be starting January of 2025, so in just a couple months, and the Ninth Circuit absolutely torched that new law with this ruling. So let's talk about what happened. This video is proud to be sponsored by American Hartford Gold. Listen, if there is one thing that those of us in the firearms community understand, it's that you cannot rely on the government for your protection. Not with your life, and especially not with your wealth. Look, throughout our lifetime, the dominance of the US dollar was unquestioned, but that may be changing. As we face unprecedented inflation, the world's biggest economies are ditching the dollar for the yen. Banks are failing left and right, and the government is discussing a total control of all of your money with the new digital dollar. Don't let your life savings become a casualty of failing corporations or currency wars. Now is the time to call the only precious metal dealer that I trust, American Hartford Gold. They'll show you how to protect your savings and retirement accounts by diversifying your wealth portfolio with physical gold and silver. With the finest products, amazing customer service, and a buyback commitment. American Hartford Gold has a 5-star rating from thousands of reviews and an A+ from the Better Business Bureau. American Hartford Gold supports content like this that is committed to bringing you the truth. Tell them I sent you and they'll give you up to $5,000 of free silver on your first order, so call them now. Click the link in the description or call 866-856-2507. That's 866-856-2507, or text COPPER to 65532. Okay, so let's go and talk about what's going on here, because this really highlights how important the wins are at the district level, at the circuit court level, and at the Supreme Court level, because these wins can stop future laws from ever even taking effect. Now, this is from a law. It stems from AB 1483. 1483 is set to take effect on January 1st of 2025, so in just a couple months. So what does AB 1483 do? Now, I'll tell you what it does. What it does is it expands on an existing law in the state of California where an injunction was just upheld at the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. So that law that it is expanding on is no longer enforceable. And what we're talking about is the Ninth Circuit's decision back in August in Nguyen v. Bonta. That is the FBC case that challenges the 1 in 30 day prohibition. So in the state of California, you can only get one firearm every 30 days. That means if you got one, you got to wait 30 days after that before you can even fill out more paperwork. I mean, it is absolutely a prohibition for 30 days in that state. Well, what was going to happen on January 2025 is that they were going to expand on that by making it so that private party transfers were also going to be included in that 1 in 30 days. So as it stands, well, I guess as it stood several months ago, is that you could, avoid the 1 in 30 by going through private party transfer. California didn't like that. They saw it as another one of their loopholes. And so they decided to make AB 1483 to eliminate the private party transfer loophole, as they call it. And so that was set to take effect January 1st of 2025. Everything, that means that everything after that point would have been 1 in 30, would have been covered by that 1 in 30. Now, the 3-judge panel that overturned a previous stay allowing the injunction to take effect voted unanimously that they believed that the plaintiffs in this case, being Nguyen and FBC, had a likelihood of success on the merits. And so the district court basically said that, look, it's unconstitutional to prohibit people from their constitutional right like this. And so, I'm going to place this law on hold. You're no longer allowed to enforce the 1 in 30, which means Californians, even right now, are allowed to get as many as they want within whatever window of time they want. There's no way that that's going to allow for this new one from AB 1483 to take effect January 1st, 2025. And I wanted to share that with you guys because it's sort of like a win and win. We were going after the current 1 in 30, but this is going to have a direct effect on a law that would have taken effect on January 1st of 2025. So again, I wanted to make you aware of that. Thank you all very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe. You guys have a great day.